Fruit, the best food on the planet, but it gets no respect. It gets no respect. I just got this from Sam's Club. And when you look at that picture there, okay, what do they have on the plate? Steak, eggs, avocado, and a biscuit with butter. So what are they promoting? They're promoting all the wrong foods. 2 animal-based foods, the eggs, the steak. The avocado is healthy, it's good, but you make sure you do that in moderation. The butter, not healthy. Okay, so too much saturated fat in that breakfast. That is going to sap a lot of your energy. You know, it's going to sap so much of your energy just to digest it, process it down to simple sugars so your body can use it. But it's sucking all your energy. So, you know, this is what's promoted, all these high fatty foods, because those people have a lot of money to get on the cover of, you know, Sam's Club. You know, so money talks, and the sad thing is it's causing a lot of disease and heartache and suffering. Now, when you look at that picture, right over here, if you can see that, there's some strawberries, but they don't even have them in the full picture. Just a few strawberries, and they're chocolate covered. Like strawberries aren't good enough. You know, they aren't sweet enough. What's the problem? So, you know, this should be here, should be the whole meal. You know, that's what you need to do if you really want to get healthy. You have to start to eat larger volumes of fruit, mono meals. Just make a meal out of bananas or strawberries, watermelon. There's so many. I mean, grapes. You know, because if you're going for this type of breakfast, you are headed for a bad scenario. You're going to be on some type of drug for high blood pressure or diabetes eventually, because a high-fat diet is what causes, it's the root cause of diabetes. So I just wanted to say, don't be fooled, you know, by marketing hype. Try fruit for a week and see how great you feel. Please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. All the best, and to your health, success.